Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the handheld vehicle vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of lugging around a big, bulky vacuum to clean your car, then this is the product for you. This powerful cleaning machine boasts a vacuum degree of 120000 PA, making it perfect for sucking up all the dirt, crumbs, and debris that seem to accumulate in our cars. Plus, with its new upgraded motor and rated speed of 35,500 revolutions per minute, you can be sure that this vacuum will get the job done quickly and efficiently. The best part? It's wireless and portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. No more searching for a power outlet or untangling cords. Just grab your vacuum and get to work. Not only is this vacuum great for cars, but it also has the function of blowing dust, making it perfect for use around the house as well. And with a noise level of less than 52 decibels, you won't have to worry about disturbing the neighbors while you clean. And let's not forget about the lithium battery. With a capacity of 2*2000 mAh, you'll have plenty of power to get the job done. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the handheld vehicle vacuum cleaner. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great product reviews and recommendations.